Verifying your LinkedIn account is a significant step that amplifies your professional credibility and trust. The benefits of a verified profile covers enhanced visibility, increased trust, and improved work opportunities. Hi, I am Khalid. Today I am going to show you how to verify a LinkedIn account. Welcome back to the tutorial on how to verify a LinkedIn account. Don't forget to subscribe this channel if you like. For more free tools, tutorials and offers, you can visit the link below this video. To verify your LinkedIn account, at first you need to log in to your account profile. I already have logged into my LinkedIn account. And this is my LinkedIn profile. To start verification process, click on profile picture, click on verify now. Same way, you can click on profile picture in the top menu also. Now click on view profile and start verification from here. So click on verify now to start verification process. Now I need to use my mobile device to start verify. I am opening camera app on my mobile and going to scan this QR code. This is my mobile device, opening camera and scanning the code. I prefer open in browser. I can start my identity verification process here. To verify identity, you need a valid NFC enabled passport, that's ID of you. The name of your ID will need to match your LinkedIn profile. So click on verify with persona. Read and tick on the check boxes showing terms and conditions. If you agree, click on accept and continue. Selecting my country and then click on continue. Now check for this symbol on the front or back of your ID, that's passport. If you see this symbol, it means that your ID contains a chip that can be scanned by using your mobile device. Your mobile device is required to support NFC scan also. Click on yes and continue. Now take a clear photo of the front of your government ID, that's passport. Click on camera icon here, or you can upload a clear photo of your ID also. I am clicking on camera icon. Click on only this time. Capturing the front side of my passport now. Trying to set my photo in the guided position. OK, click on use this photo. Processing ID, it may take a few moments. Here you can review your ID details. Click on accept and continue. To start, scan your passport, click on Continue. Click on Start Scanning. Now, touch your mobile device on your passport and move slightly as showing here. Ready to scan, scanning my ID. OK, scan complete. Now click on Get Started to start face verification. Keep your face straight and then move your face towards your right side. Keep your face straight again and then move your face towards your left side. Follow instructions given for face verification. Processing selfie. This may take a few seconds. Now I need to allow sharing the following data with LinkedIn. So click on Yes, Send. Thanks for verifying identity. Now click on Done. Verification successfully added to my profile. So LinkedIn verification for my account is done successfully. Hope that you enjoy the video. If you have any more questions addressing this video guide on how to verify a LinkedIn account, you can send your queries in this video description link or comment section. If you want to know how to create profile in Reddit, you can check the link below this video. For more videos like this, make sure to subscribe this channel and get in touch with FiberCrest for more awesome upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching.